Good vibes. Good vibes. We're sending good vibes. Last night we made this terrible mistake. I can do this! Sorta! I don't know what the status of the bus is just yet though. So it's so windy outside that all of us are kind of just hiding in our own vehicles. Yeah, should be a fun night. We're gonna head on over to Ehrenberg for Skooliepalooza. Good morning, friends. Today we are headed off to Skooliepalooza. We just left Lake Havasu. Actually, technically, we're still in Lake Havasu, but the Buses by the Bridge event ended today. And so we started off with a Planet Fitness shower, and we went to Walmart for some groceries. And now we're at the gas station filling up on gas, and then we have to stop and get some firewood. Sorry, we're right across the street from the airport and it flew overhead. And then after we've run all our errands and collected all our things, we're gonna head on over to Ehrenberg for Skooliepalooza. Okay, we're on the road right now because we were in Quartzsite picking up firewood, and as it turns out, our friend Ernie's bunkhouse bus, it broke down, so we had to stop and get that figured out. Good vibes. We're sending good vibes. I don't know what the status of the bus is just yet though. Right now we're on our way over to Ehrenberg to the Skooliepalooza event area so that we can find a place to camp with our crew, because I hear it's filling up really fast, so we wanted to make sure we got a spot. And then the bunkhouse bus will join us when they're able to. Hopefully they get that figured out soon. Listen, what you doing?
Riley, were you here a couple years ago? Did I meet you out here then?
I don't think I've ever met you, technically.
No, because she didn't go to Skooliepalooza whenever you were.
So it's so windy outside that all of us are kind of just hiding in our own vehicles to get away from the dust. But a quick peek outside is, I just see a cloud of dust. I've got like my moonroof cracked just a bit and I can feel the car shaking a ton. It's wild. Come here, baby. Hi. Oh. Hi, Taco.
Okay, cool. I got through 2 episodes.
Oh, hello, baby. Hi, good boy.
Taco's first time in Skoolie. Oh, yes. You've never been to Skoolie, buddy?
Yeah. Oh, that actually works.
Last night we made this terrible mistake of forgetting to eat when we were hanging out with all our friends last night. So tonight, Yellow Wolf decided to make this hearty potato delicious soup and gave some for me and Bunny to share.
So good.
So good. Definitely helpful on this super cold, windy night.
The van's getting a good old cleaning later. Oh, I need to put some more stuff in my reserve too.
Okay, give it a whirl.
Okay.
Yay! Looks like Anthony is setting up his SUV tent, I think. Whoa! It's kind of huge. I can do this! Sorta!
So this part is the part that connects to your van. So like this, so those are the
Oh, I got people helping me. This trunk is supposed to be what holds it up, and I'm hiding back here until they figure out what they're doing.
Do you go through that door?
I don't.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I told him he can do that. Boy Scout knots. I don't know any Boy Scout knots.
Damn.
Will that stay?
Nice. Okay.
I've got Mark and Anthony helping me because apparently I'm really bad at it.
He's using a nature hammer.
Nature hammer. Thank you guys.
Well, yeah. I think
Perfect. I know it's super bright, but the trunk is open because it's holding up the SUV tent for me. Anyway, hello. Making myself a quick little sandwich because we've been here for a few days. Hello. We've been here for a few days and I still haven't actually explored around to see what's going on at other camps. So yeah, we're gonna eat real quick and then go wander. It's dinner time, so tonight Bunny is putting together a taco salad for us. I'm so hungry, so I'm pretty excited for that. And then tomorrow is when I'm going to make breakfast. Tomorrow morning, I will make a frittata.
Okay, what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna put it in the container. Wow. Okay.
Hiding out in the van right now to give a quick update. Tyson. So, Bunny made her very delicious taco salad, and now we're just hanging out with our friends kind of around the fire. Because it's been super windy the last couple days, we haven't... Because it's been super windy the last couple days and we didn't feel like going out in that, we haven't actually gone out to explore the rest of camp yet, or the rest of the event, really. Later tonight, which is onesie night, I hear. Anthony! This is amazing! Yeah! Nice! I don't have a onesie, I have my blanket hoodie, which is... Or hoodie, blanket hoodie? Yeah, blanket hoodie. Close enough, right? Anyway, yeah, should be a fun night. Oh, also, I set up my lights. Everybody else is setting up their lights, so it's all glowy sticks and light up, hello, multicolored string lights everywhere. I love it. It got really cold last night, so I slept in this blanket hoodie thing, and it was glorious. I slept in a bit today, but you know what kind of surprises me right now is this is like the first time all week that I didn't wake up to music. Like they actually turned off the music early-ish last night. It wasn't playing all night long that I'm aware of, and I don't hear any music going on right now either. Huh.
Hi, baby. Oh no! Run away, onion!
It's just the skin.
Oh, here it is.
It's no big deal.
Oh, it's kind of funny. This is probably not the way to do it.
Looking good so far. Okay, so the frittata is almost done. I have no idea how it turned out. I was afraid I added too much milk, and then when I was like showing someone, they were like, it looks okay. So I added some extra cheese on top, and it should be ready to eat pretty shortly. Now I just gotta add a little bit of hot sauce on top, and hopefully I didn't
overcook it or something.
Honestly, yeah.
We just left the buses of. I know. I was like, it ran away. So I don't know if I can film any of this. I set you here. Oh no! Kind of. Nope. No! Ouch! Ow! Ouch! Ah! Ah! Future editing Riley, let's cut that.